With the rapid development of technology, the way we live is also gradually changing. One of the biggest changes today is the use of artificial intelligence or AI, a modern system that can learn, make decisions, and assist humans. Every Filipino child has a dream. Someone wants to be a teacher, doctor, or engineer. But not everyone is given an equal opportunity to achieve this. Many drop out of school because of poverty, lack of equipment, or distance from school. Education is everyone's right, but in reality, it is not available to everyone. Education is the key to change. Through this, we learn to dream, work hard, and help our family and community. But what if a child doesn't have a book to read, no internet or cell phone to keep up with class, or don't have enough money to go to school every day? Lack of access to education is not only a barrier to learning, it is also a barrier to future. Our country is also affected when many young people are unable to study. The development of society slows down even more. Each of us has a role to play. We can help in simple ways by providing school supplies, by teaching, or by supporting educational programs. Because when there is education, there is hope, and when there is hope, there is future. Together, let's fight for education for all.